Hello everyone and welcome back. Listen up, girls and boys. This summer, 2024, is gonna be the best summer ever. May it be a productive summer, it girl summer, hot girl summer, stepping out of your shell summer, Pinterest inspired summer, aesthetic summer. Yeah, all kinds of summer, all kinds of summer. This ultimate summer bucket list is gonna bring you the best summer ever. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First up, on our summer bucket list comes paint outside or on the rooftop. This is such a fun activity because just get some canvas, paint, and go on the rooftop and start painting. You'll get into the painting, you'll be so focused. It's actually so exciting and so wholesome. I'm actually super excited to try this. And yeah, let's go to the next one. Pinterest inspired aesthetic summer picnic. This is so fun. It's so fun. I'm seeing this all over Pinterest. This was such a trend over the years, but I'm gonna bring it back. Just need a picnic mat, I guess, a picnic basket, some food like bread, pancakes, some drinks, food, berries, strawberries, and so many more options. You can take some inspo from Pinterest, and yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Making s'mores. This is such a fun activity. All you need is just melted chocolate, graham crackers, and marshmallows. You just need a campfire which you can put in your backyard, garden, outside, and actually start making s'mores. It's such a fun activity, and you love it. Next up, have a rooftop brunch. It is such a fun activity, and a brunch is nothing but breakfast and lunch included together. It might be so fun. You can bring your friends over. Next up, night swimming with friends. I won't be able to explain the vibe, but the vibe of swimming in the morning and at night is so different. You can perhaps you can bring some glow sticks. You can wear cute swimming costumes, and you can invite your friends over, have a pool party, and it's gonna be so fun swimming in the night. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Sleepover at friends' houses. This is so fun. Everybody knows about a sleepover, obviously, but why don't you guys actually do it this summer? Like, how cute, fun, exciting, nice they are. Like, wow, like actually, you guys have to do it. I have also made a list and bucket list of things we can do in sleepovers. If you guys want to actually know that, make sure to comment down below, and I am going to be so happy to actually make stargazing. Stargazing is such a beautiful activity, and it literally is so refreshing, and it helps you connect with the nature. I really hope I can stargaze and look at the stars and constellations with my family. Just to make it more cozy, make some hot chocolate coffee for yourself and put a blanket on, put a pillow, and it's gonna be so fun. This is so fun, and it's gonna be so memorable, and your future self will thank you so wholesomely. Make a summer diary or a scrapbook. You won't believe how fun this is and how fun it is to actually reflect on the memories. Next up, we have hosting a baking party, dinner party, lunch party, anything. Just host a party and blah blah blah. Personally, I love baking. It's literally my hobby, and I would love to actually make something for my friends and actually give it to them. So you can invite your friends over to your house, or you can also tell them to help you with the baking if they like baking, and it's such a fun activity to do together. Next up, try new hairstyles. So you never know how different you look just by changing a hairstyle. Putting a clip or a rubber band will transform your entire look. Next up, we have go on a hot girl trek. Just wear some cute athleisure and nearby hill in your area. Go trekking and also take some snacks with you. Do a small kind of picnic on the thing. That will surely motivate you guys to actually do a trek. Next up, this is really exciting and so much more exciting for me because I love exploring. Go to a new restaurant or a new cafe. You never know when a new cafe can actually become your favorite. Be a tourist in your own city. Think in the way that if somebody else would have come to your city, what would you have visited in your city? Then do the same things that a tourist would have actually done. And you never know that how many new things you'll be able to explore in your city. Go on a vacation. Obviously, this won't be possible for everyone, but at least not even if not a vacation, go to a road trip with your friends. Alone, with friends, anything will work. I'm going to Ladakh this vacation, so I'm pretty excited. Next up, go to the grocery market. Personally, I love going to aesthetic and cute grocery markets and buying stuff because it's just like so, I don't know, wholesome, and like the convenience stores, it's like so pretty. Next up, make a lemonade stall. This might not be possible for everyone, but yeah, it's actually fun. Take a cardboard, cover it with some cloth, make lemonade in pretty glasses, and either you can do it at your home, actually sell it, and you might save so much money. And it's a really fun idea, and I'm gonna do it. We're actually building a lemonade stall currently, and I'm so excited. Next up, we have make an aesthetic trinket tray. So this is currently what I'm doing right now. I had made the clay cover and I put it to dry, and after this I'm actually going to be painting it. Next up, go bowling with friends. This is quite underrated and some people don't even know how fun they have. Actually, I have been doing this for such a long time. Like in my birthday parties, it mostly happens in game zones and malls. So I'm always bowling with my friends, and it's actually fun. You can also go to the game zone and try laser tag. I actually tried this yesterday, and it was so fun. Next up, make a summer Pinterest board. So technically, summer has started right now, but you still have time to make an aesthetic summer Pinterest board. Put it as your vision board. Apply the vision board as a wallpaper in your desktop. Try ziplining. If you guys are scared of heights and you really want to overcome it, ziplining is such a good way to do it. Carnival. Go to the nearest carnival. You never know how much fun you'll have. And there are also, some claw machines and stalls and everything, food, and it's just so fun. As a kid in my city, I used to go to a carnival. I don't remember the name, but we had Ferris wheel, we had the bull moving thing. I don't know what it's called, but everything is so fun and it's still so memorable. Do a shell treasure hunt on a beach. If you're going somewhere for vacation on a beach, you actually collect shells and do some treasure hunt. You never know how many unique shells you might find. Have a shopping spree, and like it's so fun. It's technically my favorite thing to do whenever I go to the mall. If you're into fashion, you guys will love shopping spree, obviously. But for that, you really do need to save some money up. So try saving it and actually buying it with your own money. Next up, this is not really easy task, but it's so fun, and your future self will thank you for doing this. Vlog your entire summer. Try vlogging it. Take a disposable camera, a normal camera, phone, even on your phone. Just like start recording each day of summer, and go to an editing app and just join the days together, and it's gonna be so fun. Cocktail night. Cocktails are so good, even if you are really okay for kids too, because they technically only have soda in it. But I'm not telling you to have cocktails every day. It's just because it's summer and you do need something cold and to refresh your body. This is why cocktails are so easy, and you could see it everywhere on Pinterest, YouTube, Google. You just need to add some soda, some kind of flavoring, and ice. That's all. Have a barbecue. You never know how much fun it actually is. Have the things you need for a barbecue. It's like so good. I had done barbecue last year and it was so fun, and everything was tasting so much better. It was actually giving vibes, and you won't get the same vibes even if you bake it or even if you try to recreate it. This thing you guys have to do. No excuses. This is like so fun, and you just need to do it. The thing is, click a selfie on every day of summer. So on the 1st of May, click a picture. 2nd of May, click a picture, and so on. After summer's ended, you can put all those pictures together in one video and fast forward them, and it's gonna be so fun to watch. Escape room with friends. So I have done this one time with my friends in a birthday party, and it was so fun. You guys must have an escape room in your area, even a little bit far. But trust me, it's worth it. It's like so exciting. Next up, sunset or sunrise. Looking at the sunset or sunrise is just so pretty. Some food, and you can actually have an aesthetic Pinterest inspired picnic and by watching the sunset, and it's gonna be so cute. A glow up day or even a self-care day. This is like so refreshing and so fun. It literally refreshes you and you'll feel so good. Learn a new sport. You guys have no excuses. It's summer, bro. You have so much free time. You can learn a new sport. Have boba. This is really random, but it's actually fun. I really hope that I can go to have boba with my best friend. We're actually also having a sleepover, so I really want to have boba too. Give your pet the best day ever. Feed him the things he wants. Take him to a dog park. if he's a dog, and spend time with him and do the ultimate fun things with your pet. And spoil him a little bit, make a drink from Starbucks. You can also make cold coffee or whatsoever, but you can actually recreate a pink drink, ice latte, matcha, whatsoever. Actually, you can do it at home. Find a new hobby. Actually, like, you can actually like look at your inner self, spend time with yourself, start finding out what your hobby is. It's gonna be so fun. Renting an Airbnb. I know it might not be possible for everyone, but actually leaving your home and going to a new home, going somewhere else, it actually refreshes your mind and you feel so good. Start a journal. It's a really fun way to actually reflect on your thoughts and start a new YouTube channel. It's actually fun, and you never know till which number you will reach. It will blow your mind. Get a room makeover. This might actually be a huge process, and it also might be time taking. But why not? You can actually upgrade your room, and you can also upcycle old furniture. You don't even need to spend money at this point. I got a new bed, I got a new closet, and yeah, and it really was fun to actually look at the room you have been in such a long time. In the same room, but totally different. So, this was my bucket list. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to make this summer your ultimate summer, which is going to be the most best summer. You guys deserve it. Get a diary and actually write your own bucket list like I've done here. And yeah, it's really fun. If you guys can actually complete most of it, it's like you never know how memorable that summer can become. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and I hope you got some ideas to make this summer the best summer ever. And till next time, bye.